Allah has a plan for you. You are exactly where He wants you right now. There is nothing more dear to Allah Ta'ala than a servant making dua to Him. Alhamdulillah, we are blessed by Allah in so many ways. Always remember that and be grateful. A liar's biggest punishment in this world is that even his truth is rejected. Imam Shafi'i remarked, there is a verse in the Quran that every wrongdoer should be terrified of. He was asked, which verse is that? He replied, and your Lord never forgets. Salah is the best treatment for all pains and problems. Let's take the medicine 5 times a day. The tear of a sinner is more beloved to Allah than the arrogance of a righteous man. Worldly life is very short, so turn to Allah before you return to Allah. अगर आपको मेरा वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए और बेल आइकन प्रेस कीजिए ताकि मेरे आने वाले वीडियोस आप तक पहुंच सके।